baby clothes and stuff stored in the basement, and I told the kids we're going to get rid of them, so that's what I've got mainly. A little bit of everything. This is mostly houseware stuff, and it's on the landing here. Marilyn Swoboda brought a few things too that she wanted to get rid of. Now let's see here. Oh, I guess I'll do it this way. Some stuff is Susie's, and I think Jeanette did bring a few things, not too much. Usually what she brings I keep. I guess that's why I have to have a garage sale. Those are those Christmas balls that I thought I was going to decorate the tree with, and I got them home and they were too big. See anything in here you'd like to have? I know you said, no, Mom, get rid of it. Those are mostly Sean's things hanging up there. They were such cute ones. I wanted to, I guess the little dresses were, I don't know if they were Amanda's or if they're probably Shannon and Aaron's. We got stuff on the floor. This stuff here will get put outside in the morning. There's that old tape recorder and Susie's old vacuum cleaner and Dad's fishing chairs. Well, I guess that's about it.
This is Josh's football game. It's Thursday afternoon. Matt and Amanda came to watch Josh. There's Josh, number 2. Hiding from the camera. They're getting ready to start here in a little bit. That's their coach, Mr. Fangmeyer.
Where's the kickoff tee going? No, not you. Jody, yellow tee.
They're doing the kickoff over the start of the game. By the way, this is flag football, not tackle. Amanda!
This is October 26, 1997, and we got our first snowstorm. It started snowing last night, and I think we must have got about, I think they said like 12 to 14 inches of snow. It's Sunday after, it started snowing Saturday, late Saturday afternoon. It was raining earlier, and we just got this much overnight. Virgil opened up my driveway with a bobcat this afternoon, but everybody was just snowed in. I scooped a little path in front of the house here this afternoon. It's nice out, it's melting. The ground temperature is warm, so it's melting from the bottom. This tree out there, that's kind of quite a bit broke. And there's a line, I think it's a telephone line pulled down in there with it. Shorty had quite a bit of his trees broke off. They were young trees. There's a lot of limb damage. I went down on the driveway now, and this is looking downtown. I'll go back to the house. There was quite a bit of snow back there. Back patio. I don't know if you can see how that's hanging over the roof, that snow. And this, my back door, I scooped it open, but that was just about up to the glass and all filled in. It was a mess. It scooped easy. It was light, and it was nice outside scooping, but sure got the snow. I don't know, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Sunday afternoon. I don't know if the boys are done. I think they just got some cattle this last week too, but in the feedlot. But I think they probably had to try and go get Gary, because he just had his pickup at his place. Let's see. I hope I'm getting something on here. My batteries aren't too good. I'm going to take the camera in next week, and because the batteries don't charge too good. They don't last too long. It's getting a little windy again, but I think the snow's is wet enough it shouldn't blow too bad anymore. It's by the back door yet. I don't know if you can see how I kind of tunneled through here to get up to the back door. Hooter's out with the thing of opening up the streets. That's that tree by the church across the street here. It looks like it's kind of broke up. Shorty got a lot of them right along that, to a lot of branches. They were young trees. And trouble was the leaves are still on the trees and they got heavy. This here one in front of my house, I went out early this morning, this harlequin maple. It had a lot of snow and the branches were just hanging, so I took a broom and I knocked off the branches and the snow came off and it perked back up. This is Main Street here. Shop, that tree by the shop got broke. There's branches, we're gonna have to clean that up. Some cars had to stay here overnight and they were just white. You couldn't see the cars at all this morning. They just kind of tunneled through in places. I'll try to get south here. That's that tree by the shop. I'm standing right in front of the tavern now. Marilyn Chum's got quite a few broken branches there too. And there was snow this afternoon coming off the shop, off of those eaves, or the roof. I'm surprised my battery is staying up this long. Ever look here?
Behind the seat.
Can you tell Wayne hi? Say hi.
Hi. Care if I ran over and got it? I don't care. Is that not? Well here, let me run you over in the car. Get it.
Yeah, you can make a snowman after a while.
Huh?
You'll make a snowman after a while. That's Trevor, Terry, and Sean's little boy. And they're having another one pretty soon. That car was completely covered with snow. Somebody kind of scooped some of the snow off. It stayed here all night. What's Aki? Don't eat it. Don't eat it. It's Aki. Terry? She's playing that machine up there. Can you see how fat she is?
She's not very big.
No, she isn't very big.
I have a friend that has over a month, Andy, she has over a month to go. She's huge. She's bigger than Terry. At least Skalka.
Marilyn's got the bar all decorated here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. She's got spider webs hanging. All little stuff all over. From the ceiling, she's got a spider here. It's just plastic, and thought I'd show you what the new couch